Today we will learn some sentences that will be useful in our daily life if we speak English. These sentences will help you to speak English fluently. So, learn these sentences by heart. Learn to use what you learn today in your daily life. So, let's get started. Please have a cold drink. Please have a cold drink. What's up? What's up? Well, allow me to go. Well, allow me to go. Good to see you. Good to see you. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I don't have an extra pen. I don't have an extra pen. I have no choice. I have no choice. I have been studying English for 10 years. I have been studying English for 10 years. This is just the shirt I want. This is just the shirt I want. Or we can say, I want this shirt. I want this shirt. May I use your phone? May I use your phone? May I sit here? May I sit here? I am very tired. I am very tired. I like basketball. I like basketball. As far as I know. As far as I know. Or we can say, as much as I know. As much as I know. I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Please stay a little more. Please stay a little more. Or we can say, sit a little longer. Sit a little longer. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. It is very difficult to get a job at this time. Or we can say, this is quite difficult to get a job right now. This is quite difficult to get a job right now. I am waiting for a friend. I am waiting for a friend. Will you do a thing? Will you do a thing? It is nearly midnight. It is nearly midnight. This is very good for you. This is very good for you. It is you who have done it. It is you who have done it. How much is it? How much is it? This is for you. This is for you. You may go now. You may go now. Is there anyone you like? Is there anyone you like? It is time to get up. It is time to get up. Oh, that sounds like fun. Oh, that sounds like fun. No one could do it. No one could do it. Why do you chatter? Why do you chatter? How is it going? How is it going? It's very hard to know what the truth is. It's very hard to know what the truth is. Let us go by bus. Let us go by bus. When do they meet? When do they meet? Or we can say, when they meet. When they meet. What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who are you going to vote for? Who are you going to vote for? Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.